It's funny. The mat gets more dusty than anything. But you gotta be super light, or else you can scratch. But you just brush over lightly and you'll be okay.
Now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We got a butter box. We ain't outside, no stores is open. This is online only. And it's a weird time. It's a weird time. But you can't be mad because they're still giving us a little something to work with. We have the DMP 6s. When this first came to fruition and when this first came to I don't know, when people started first talking about it, I didn't think they would actually drop them. Now we're just waiting on the 11s at this point. But the 6s, I think, to me, they are pretty tough. I didn't think they were going to be this tough, but they're nice. Now, a disclaimer about the gold on these. It's kind of dull, and it's kind of almost, it could be looked at as brown, almost. But the gold on the front and the back, that's actual gold. That looks gold. But the side looks a little dark to be gold. But, you know, just nitpicking. So on the actual tag, this feels, it's heavy, it's thick. On the tag it says Air Jordan 6, June 12th, 1991. Obviously when he won his first championship. Defining moment, MJ's first professional championship. So you got a dope touch, black and gold clean, icy blue bottom. Hey man, I didn't think they would look this good, but I really like them. Kind of wish the Jumpman wasn't black and wish it was gold, but the 23 under it is gold, so you can't be that upset about it. Other than that, it's a pretty clean shoe. Let me know if you copped. And yeah, let me know how you're getting along, how everything's going. I know in the shoe world it's kind of slow right now, but they're trying. Hope you're watching the doc. And yeah, we outside now. Well, not really, but we outside because it's nice out. Yeah, so DMP 6s, pretty tough.